Best gas grills reviewed. I bought and tested these top gas grills so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a grilling novice or a seasoned pro, I've got you covered with honest insights. Let's dive into the top 5 best gas grills that will elevate your outdoor cooking game without breaking the bank. Product number 1, Char-Broil Portable Convective 1-Burner Grill. When I first laid eyes on the Char-Broil Portable Convective 1-Burner Bass Grill, I was struck by its compact design. Measuring just 24 inches wide, this little powerhouse is perfect for my outdoor adventures. With a cooking space of 190 square inches, I was able to grill up some juicy burgers and veggies without feeling cramped. The convenience of liquid propane meant I could fire it up quickly, and the durable porcelain-coated grates made cleanup a breeze. As I set it up, I appreciated the minimal assembly required. The clear instructions meant I was grilling in no time. On the pro side, its portability is a game changer. Weighing in at just 20 pounds, I could easily toss it in the trunk for camping trips or tailgating. Plus, its steel construction and high-temperature finish help resist rust, so I know it will last. Product number 2, Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Grill. The Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Grill is a gem that caught my attention during my grilling escapades. First off, the setup was a breeze, under 10 minutes and no tools required. Imagine not having to fumble with screws and parts before you can start grilling. Once it was ready, I was impressed by the dual 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners that allowed me to create different heat zones. I could sear steaks on one side while keeping veggies warm on the other. The stainless steel grates provided excellent heat distribution, and the lightweight design made it easy to transport to my friend's backyard BBQ. On the downside, being a tabletop model means you need a sturdy surface to work with, and if you're grilling for a crowd, it might require multiple batches. Product number 3, the Royal Gourmet GT1001 Portable Grill. The Royal Gourmet GT1001 caught my eye with its sleek design and practicality. With a generous cooking area of 285 square inches, I found it perfect for cooking for small gatherings without feeling cramped. The folding legs and lockable lid made it super easy to transport and store, and I appreciated the removable grease tray that simplified cleanup. The U-shaped burner delivers 10,000 BTU, providing even heat distribution for perfect grilling every time. I was able to grill burgers, veggies, and even a whole chicken with great results. However, I did notice that the assembly instructions could have been clearer, and the regulator didn't come included, which was a minor inconvenience. Product number 4, Weber Q1200 Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Q1200 is a standout in the world of portable grills. Right out of the box, its cast iron cooking grates and durable aluminum construction hinted at Weber's quality reputation. The 8,500 BTU burner provided ample heat, from everything from searing steaks to roasting veggies. The electronic ignition was a lifesaver, no more struggling with lighter fluid. What I loved most was the large cooking area paired with the high dome lid, which allowed me to cook larger items like a whole chicken effortlessly. The integrated thermometer was a nice touch, letting me keep an eye on my cooking progress. However, the price tag is a bit higher than some other portable grills, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Product number 5, Festo 2-Burner Propane Gas Grill. The Festo 2-Burner Propane Gas Grill impressed me with its all-porcelain enamel design, which not only looks sleek, but also withstands extreme heat. The flat stainless steel burners provide an output of 26,500 BTUs, ensuring even cooking for all my grilling needs. With a total grilling area of 416 square inches, I could easily cook for family gatherings, accommodating up to 18 burgers at once. The 2 side tables offered ample workspace for my grilling tools and ingredients. I also appreciated the easy clean grates that made post-cook cleanup a breeze. However, I did find that the grill is a bit bulky, which might be less ideal for those looking for something super portable. In conclusion, whether you're looking for portability, power, or just plain convenience, there's a gas grill on this list for everyone. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle, and happy grilling!